Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will look at the difference between local variable, instance variable and static variables in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, let us look at the difference between static variable, instance variable and local variable with help of this program. Here in this program, I have declared three variables. So first we'll talk about the static variable. So our number one is the static variable, and we can tell that this is a static variable because it is contained inside the class but outside the method, and it also contains the static keyword before the data type, right? Next variable what we'll be looking at is the instance variable, and similar to your static variable, it is also contained inside the class and outside the method, right? And it does not contain any static keyword, right? And finally we have the local variable. So local variable is contained inside the body of the method, right? So this is your first difference. Now let us look at the second difference. So what I have done is inside the method one, I have printed all the variables. We have the static variable, instance variable and the local variable, right? So let me try to create the object of this class A and let us execute the program. So I type class A equals to new and then the constructor, right? And what I'll do is call the method one using the reference variable, right? So let me run this program now. Now let me compile the program. And as you see, we have the compilation error. Variable number 3 might have not been initialized, right? So in order to fix the compilation error, I need to initialize the variable number 3. So let me initialize it with number 1. And now if I compile and run this, the compilation error should be gone. Right. So now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And as you see, we have the output as static variable 0, instance variable 0 and local variable 1. So our second difference is that our local variable needs to be initialized before it can be used, right? And this is not the case with the static and the instance variable, and they are initialized with the default value if we have not initialized any values, right? Now let us look at the third difference. So in the program, what I've done is I've created this method 2, and inside this method 2 I've added the print statements which does nothing but prints all the variables similar to our method 1, right? And now let me run this program. Now let us compile the program, and as you see, we have the compilation error on line 16. So our third difference is that our local variables are not accessible outside the method where they are declared and initialized, right? And our instance variable and the static variables can be accessed throughout the class, right? So if I comment this line 16 and now if I run this, the program should run properly. So let me run this. Now let me compile and execute the program. So as you see, the compilation error is gone. So let me execute it. So now we have the proper outputs. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.